This is a video examination and inspection of the Fosmon WavePoint wireless remote control outdoor electrical outlet switch. It's weatherproof, heavy-duty, 3-prong, plug-in, e-tail listed, and it has the battery included in its one pack. This looks really good. It works so far. I haven't actually installed it because I have to put some ends on inline where this is going to go. What I found unusual is you have to pair this to the receiver. And you do that by putting the battery in. The plus of the battery goes up. You pull this off, put the battery in with the plus up, put it together, put this thing back on. When you plug this portion in to the power, this light right here will be flashing. And you press this button once and it's paired. I've never seen that before. But it has good ratings and good reviews, so I can't use it yet. I got to go put some ends on because it's going to go inline. It's actually going to be so I can turn off the cameras outside and power cycle them instead of running downstairs tripping a breaker to power cycle my cameras. I'm just going to put this in line up in the attic. But I realize it's I got to turn the power off, hack into the cable, put 2 ends on it, and that's where this is going to go, to make a long story short. So this is nice. I like it. It's 15 amps. I'm certainly not going to be drawing anywhere near that. It's great for lighting. Remotely turn on your indoor and outdoor lighting. It's convenient. It's weather resistant, durable, weather resistant construction for outdoor use. And it's good for TVs, lighting, heaters, sprinkler systems, terrariums, aquariums, humidifiers, shop vac, power tool, all kinds of stuff you can use these for. I have a number of these around the house for different purposes, so I'm not running for switches all the time. Really, I do like them. And this will conclude the video examination inspection. I'll go on to the written evaluation after I get this installed and working, and we'll see you at the written portion.
On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off.